guys, my name is Yele of Yele Stitches. Yele Stitches is a female fashion brand that makes female dresses and accessories like this one. So today I'm going to be teaching you a very fast tutorial on how to make this edge scarf. You can use it to tie down your hair, you can use it as an headband, you can use it as a neck scarf, you can use it as anything that you want to accessorize your body. But most times I use it because I lay my edges. When I lay my edges, I always look for scarves to put around my hair. So I made this and I put it around my hair and I tie it down for like 20 minutes so my edges can lay. And you can do it too. So stay tuned for the tutorial. It's very fast. See ya. The first thing that we need to do is to get our fabric. Satin fabric is always great because it's good for your hair, as you probably already know. So I'm putting my fabric on fold. So on fold, I'm going to be measuring 5 inches. So the scarf needs to be 2 inches wide. And since it's going to be 2 inches wide, and I'm folded into 2, so I'm going to just put 0.5 inches seam allowance on either side. That's why I'm going 5 inches wide, and the length of it is going to be 20 inches. So I'm going to measure out 21 inches, so I can also take out the seam allowance of 1 inch. Or 0.5 and 0.5 inches to make 1 inch. I hope you understand that explanation. So the fabric you're going to cut out is just going to be 5 inches by 21 inches. Now, after doing that, you're going to sew just one edge of it and then sew all the way down. Sew it on the wrong side, please. That is the side without the sheen. So after sewing it on one end and sewing it down, you're going to just turn it out. So you can use a long thingy like I used to turn it out. You can use a pen. Exactly, you can use a pen to just turn it out and then push it out on the 2 edges like I'm doing, so that both edges will come out all right. Okay, so after turning it out, remember that I left one space opened, so you can just sew it down on that one space. Just tuck it in and then stitch on it. Now if you don't want to do that, you can just use a glue gun and then put the glue gun in and then just gum that edge together, which is the easiest one. And also you can also stitch it with needle and thread. And then because you see that it is quite swollen because it is satin is quite puffy sometimes, so I'm just ironing it down to lay it flat. And that is the end of the tutorial, guys. So I want you to please comment in the comment section what other ideas or other tutorial ideas that you want me to talk about or you want me to teach on for my next videos. I definitely read your comments. I definitely read your comments, and I try to reply everyone. So thank you very much for watching. I told you it was going to be a fast tutorial. Bye.